how to use your Gamestop gift card or how to redeem your Gamestop gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can actually use your gift card online, the Gamestop gift card. Now first thing what you'll have to do is you can head into your Gamestop website. Now here you can see what you want to do is you want to add an item that you want to purchase to your cart, right? Next thing you want to head into the checkout section. Now you want to head into your cards and you want to head into checkout. Now mostly I have seen a video where YouTubers saying that you'll have to go ahead and enter in your gift card under the promo code option, but that's not true. You want to tap on checkout option there. Once you tap on checkout, you'll get the option to enter in your payment method here. If you scroll down, you can see payment and you can see add gift card or trade in credit option. You want to tap on add gift card and you want to enter in your gift card number here, your pin here. Simply tap on apply and you will be able to use it as your payment method. So this way you can use your Gamestop gift card online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.